Hello everyone, Namaskar. Today, let us demonstrate or understand the Relig's criteria for resolution. And it is very simple to understand. That I can show it by using two transparent sheet. So this is one transparent sheet, what you have it. Okay, the sketches are there already drawn, and this is the another transparent sheet. Okay, so let us understand how the Relig's criteria we have it for resolution of image. One thing we should remember that let y be the distance between two central maxima, because we have two object and we have two pattern. So y is the distance between two central maxima and x is the distance between central maxima and first minima. So let us see, if suppose this is what we have, the first object diffraction pattern, this is the second diffraction pattern. Now if suppose the object are brought closer and closer, so object is brought closer, so see over here this condition. Now everyone can see that the two peaks are easily seen. We can easily see the two peaks available in the diagram. That means if y is greater than x, then the object is said to be well resolved. So anywhere y is greater than x. So if you see y greater than x, even if you bring closer, you find out that it is visible that two peaks are clearly seen. Now let us make some changes. Now if suppose, let us say y, this is what we have it, the central bit maxima, y is the distance between, and central maxima coincide with the first minima. Now the central maxima coinciding with the first maxima minima. Okay, this is now this distance, the distance from here to here. Now this distance will be y. Now when you say y is equal to x, y and x are same. Now if y and x become same, that means the object are just resolved. And if you bring them very closer, see in this way. Okay, now you find that it is very difficult to see the separate images of that. That means if y is less than x, okay, now over here see, it is very difficult to distinguish. Okay, now if this is the condition that y is less than x, then the object is said to be unresolved. Okay, and it is very easy to understand by the mean of the thin transparent sheet what we are having. So it is just a simple demonstration for understanding the Relig's criteria for separation of image. So see over here, y is greater than x, so object is well resolved. Y is equal to x, this is the condition that object is just resolved. And if y is very less than x or less than x, it is very difficult to separate the image. And this is the condition. See, when they exactly, now you find that it is going to be only one. So it is very difficult to separate the two images. This is the Relig's criteria for resolution. Thank you.